Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're making chai tea in an instant pot. So grab your instant pot and your favorite mug and let's get started. Chai tea is a traditional Indian tea that's full of rich flavors and spices. Here's a simple recipe you can follow. Ingredients: 2 cups of water, 2 black tea bags or 2 tablespoons of loose leaf black tea, 1 cup of milk or your favorite non-dairy milk, 2 cinnamon sticks, 4 to 5 cardamom pods, 4 to 5 whole cloves, 1-inch piece of fresh ginger sliced, 4 to 5 black peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of honey or sweetener of your choice. Press the sauté button on the Instant Pot and add the water. Add the tea bags, cinnamon sticks, cardamom pods, cloves, sliced ginger, and black peppercorns. Once the water begins to steam, pour the milk into the pot. Secure the lid and close the pressure valve. Cook for 2 minutes at high pressure. Then, release the pressure for 15 minutes before opening the valve to release any remaining pressure. Add sweetener to taste, then strain the chai tea into your favorite mug and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and health tips. Let us know in the comments what videos you'd like to see next. Have you tried making chai tea at home? How did it turn out? We'd love to hear from you. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you in the next video.